Na zinda gyo longa sama la nga chutele gela to question number 7 to the chachira to question number 8 a child staying in a coastal region thanda chodam da kharo choi jamla tingira coastal region test the drinking water ani pudi kora chutungme di test and also the seawater in with his tester ani kora nam gyu chutungme di che ani chogi kya choi chu tin la test shesha test pejadani he finds that the compass needle deflects more in the case of seawater ani gatso chudla ani kwangi compass needle the deflect much so can you explain the reason question is there ga so the di kha ha ko do lam sa ora gatso chulang lo khare da chape mangbo ra so sa ga de ma na digam ki the solution becomes more conducting so the di kha la kya gi khande share da the seawater contains seawater contains a huge amount of salt than the drinking water. So therefore it is better conductor of electricity. So the seawater is better conductor than drinking water. Therefore the deflection in the magnetic needle is more. Compass needle is more. So the compass needle deflects more in the case of seawater. The seawater contains a huge amount of salt than drinking water. So therefore it is better conductor of electricity. Hence the compass needle deflects more in case of seawater, etc. Now number 9, is it safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outside during heavy downpour? Explain. Ani kisi lo do thola do chio do na ani di repair chela chulo la cho shu chumbu yedu kala an chulo le inte repair chin de na di rather so di mara but no, it is very dangerous for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outside during heavy downpour because because he or she may get electric shock as the rainwater is good conductor of electricity. So charge the good conductor of electricity into and the electrician may get electrocution shock. So on the chini any also the color repair shed to charge chumbuja then the schedule and chulola pinukona chair mare. Number 10. Baheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. Charge the Baheli queer. So she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and charge the glass tumbler so much longer and tested it using a tester and tested it tested. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reason? So the distilled water and nangola should the mineral stage should the sudden summer color ponda. Sada mineral something for you to but sangan in the distilled water list. So how should the internal rail and moyukura in a tadula harire the should the katungo tester you tested the compass needle showed deflection. Compass needle the deflection test. So the correct in here. Rainwater is a pure water. So rainwater is a pure water which is poor conductor of electricity. But the rainwater gets mixed with rainwater the current mixture rainwater mixed with sulfur dioxide down and nitrogen oxide. But it gets mixed with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide to form acidic solution. Acidic solution which is a good conductor of electricity. hence the compass needle shows deflection. What is it? Any compass needle the deflection thing is kachan lena ngonso electricity the liquid khari na transfer chore acid base salt nang imba. So the acid chadu gala ni electric path chain barwa. So on the chain any rainwater la current path shi towards khari lena ko acidic form like good ora. Any what is it? Acid rain the acid rain form chapa on the dot sulfur dioxide da chudi sulfur dioxide da nitrogen oxide la any mixture any the solution the acidic form chadus. Number 11, prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. Study council khatidira bike handle to the cycle handle the any metallic parts of chair to kupya to no kupya ki metallic part then shazan khari rete sangma electroplate chigure yangna di khalo silver ornaments khashira so the dinde kyan gita khalore object nga to mean that is number 11. Question number 12, the process that you saw in activity 14.7 is used for purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper the activity di kan lot ng lo le di copper ni do copper plate ni do copper plate ni re ni khare re pure copper chi khare re copper pure re chi khare re a thick rod of impure copper chi khare re copper impure pure copper ki form to the impure copper ki rod ni they are used as electrodes. So electrode do ni ti ta re rod nang lo lu che do liquid nang lo are used as electrodes. Copper from impure rod is thought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. The ine khari la pha ta ya resha to the electroplating chi de gimten chi para metal chik ne chik la coating chi ro. So khari the copper from impure rod is thought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. So khanin dre do impure ne khwala ta ya resha impure ne pure gi copper dila ta ya do pure gi copper rod dil ta. So impure ne pure copper rod dila pha the coating chi tisara. So which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? Positive terminal ki chola ani khari garere. Battery positive and negative zero. So positive cho dila khari garere. Impure rod di garere yang pure rod di garere. So odi samta dingin khala so copper khari gala shay odi khati na negative gan korla so ngoto sanda coating chisa khare pure metal di ro. So pure metal di khari gala attach to negative la. So positive lakha chidu impure dire do. So le lakha chere the impure rod ra yama digaran koran la dite do so pure rod and thick rod of impure copper la so le lakha chere a thick rod of impure copper is attached to the positive terminal of the battery. Ra saningi the khare positive terminal la khari share la so positive terminal la hondi kare restra khachini tha explain la do why because when electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution de do so when the current is passed through the copper sulfate solution na current tang de gara it dissociates into copper and sulfate copper sulfate solution di nanglo copper sulfate solution current path chidu kha chire kuni kha se copper da sulfate ni kha it dissociates into copper and sulfate so the free copper the copper the free so the free copper being positively charged copper the positive charged so positive charge in the call connect chire it connected towards the negative terminal so copper the chugi nanglo the solution gi nanglo copper regish to the ho the copper the call gala attach chire tigala thanda khare electrodes that is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and gets deposited on it and digal deposit shares on the other hand the loss of copper ani thanda the liquid digi nanglo copper di thangma khwala di khare deposit chaso thana negative terminal digala so copper di dingal so ta di chu solution di nanglo la ta sulfate chu la so ko copper ya go ro ko balance chala copper go ro so odi copper di khane le gore di impure copper plate do odi digal sa so copper sulfate solution khara rang ta deso so on the other hand the loss of copper from the solution the copper sulfate solution the copper loss chage chura odi it is regained khane ni regain chura from the impure copper rod impure dineni khoma rangcha regain chir which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery so what did she to that ntigor so Di c'è, ne, di un po' di c'è, ma so called in the law that chapter that the chemical effects of electric current.